Welcome. My name is Junior with Business Solutions Simplified. Are you having difficulties setting up your two-step verification for the OHID or the Ohio Business Gateway site? In this video, I'm going to assist you in setting up your two-step verification so it can look like this. Let's go ahead and get started. To get started, open up your browser, any browser of your choice. Then enter in the URL gateway.ohio.gov. Once you get here, you should see a green banner. If you see that, click on Learn More. On this page, you should see two links. The first link, we'll come back to it. That will be to set up the two-step verification. Let's check out the second link, which will be the detailed instructions for the text message, email, phone call, and the IBM Verify app. These instructions are about 23 pages long. Let's go ahead and start setting up now. Head back on the Gateway website. Then click on the first link that you saw earlier. Go ahead and enter your username and password here. Once you have them entered, click on Login. When you log in using the link from the gateway, it should take you to the account settings. If you're not seeing account settings here, just scroll to the top and click on account settings in the banner. Then scroll down and click on two-step verification here. On this page, go ahead and click on Manage. Once you click on Manage, it should take you to this page here. Your page should look similar to this if you don't have any of the two-step verification already set up. Go ahead and click on Add New Method. The first two methods will be an application that you're going to download on your mobile device or tablet. It will be the IBM Security Verify app and the Authenticator app. We're going to skip those, and this one will be the passkey. The passkey will use the device that you're already using. So in this moment, I'm using my laptop, so it's going to have me use the laptop as the passkey for verification. We'll go ahead and skip over that one as well. If anyone wants me to walk through setting up the IBM Security Verify app and the passkey, let me know in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and make a video for that. Some of the easiest ones to set up will be the text message and email. Let's get started. Click on New Number. Enter the number that you can receive text on. Once you have the number entered, click on Send Access Code here. Then you go for your phone, get the code, and come and enter it on the page here. When you receive the code, you want to skip over the first 4 digits that you see on your phone and enter only the last 6 digits. When you have it entered, click on Verify. And that's it. We have the first one set up. After you finish setting up the first one, you're not done yet. You have to set up at least 2 of them. So let's go ahead and set up the second one. Click on Add New Method. Like I mentioned, some of the easiest ones to set up will be email and text message. So we're done with the text message. Now let's go ahead and do email. Click on New Email. Go ahead and type your email address here. Once you have it, click on Send Access Code. Then you check your email for the access code. Same thing with the email. You want to enter only the last 6 digits. I have my email on my phone. Once you have the number entered, go ahead and click on Verify. And there you have it. Click on Done. At this point, you have set up 2 of the verifications and you should be all set. I do understand that some people don't like doing text messages, so we're going to set up 2 other verification methods. Go ahead and click on Add New Method and click on Phone Call. These are only for people who want to set up different methods apart from the text message or email. We're going to set up 2 other methods. We're going to set up the phone call as well as the Authenticator app. So first one, we're going to do phone call. I'm going to enter the same phone number that I have here. Click on Call Me. You should receive a call. I'm going to put mine on speaker so you can hear the prompt.
Your passcode is 441. Use this passcode to complete your request. Your passcode is 441.
So as you can tell, reads that multiple times just so you can get the code correctly. Once you have the code entered, click on verify. And you're done with the phone call setup. Click on done. We're going to set up one more method. That will be for the Authenticator app. Like I mentioned earlier, this one you have to have the app on your phone. So if you don't have any Authenticator app, it will show you how to download it here. Go ahead and click on setup. Then you just want to put the name that you want to see when you have the Authenticator app open and you're trying to add it here. So here I'm going to type Duo because that is the Authenticator app that I have. Put a dash there and just put OHID because I'm setting this up for my OHID account. Once you have that entered, click on next or download the app. This will just take you to the next page to show you if you don't already have the app downloaded, then you can follow these steps to download the app on your phone. I already have the app on my phone, so I'll go ahead and click on connect your Authenticator. Now I'm going to open the app on my phone. Once you have the app open, you can go ahead and add. So right here, add, you can just click on the add button here. And then on the next page, you will click on QR code. Then you want to hop back onto the website and scan the QR code there with using your camera on your phone. Once you have it scanned, it will give you a code on your phone. Go ahead and click on test your Authenticator button here on the computer and then enter the code from your Authenticator app. Once you have that code entered, click on verify. Here we go. We successfully set up 4 different methods for the two-step verification. Like I mentioned earlier, you only need 2 of them. Next, we're going to test one of them to make sure that it works well. So go ahead and close out from this page. This will take you to the OHID website for your account. Go ahead and log out completely. Then log back in, put in your username and password. Once you have that entered, click on login. Once you log in, you want to click on account settings. Click on two-step verification again. And then click on manage. This time around, it will prompt you to verify your account. On this page, you can choose any of the methods that you already have set up. I'll go ahead and choose text message and send the code to my phone. Once you have the code entered, click on submit. And there you have it. You have successfully set up your two-step verification and you're all set for December 2nd when it comes time to verify your account when you're logging in on the Ohio Business Gateway. To log in on the gateway, you can either click on login here or go ahead and click on the logo. Then click on login. Thank you for watching this video.